Hello, welcome to Shelvington. My name's Andy. This is my model railway in a garage. Today's episode is number 3 in a short series that I'm doing about the scenery on Shelvington. So part 1 was the golf course, part 2 was a small depot and a pub, and part 3, which is this one, this is going to be the area here. So I'll just move you around a bit. So that's the edge of the last scene, the little yard area there. So we've got this whole area here, right the way up to the under construction sign just there. So I think in total it's about just over a metre long, probably about 40 centimetres deep. Things that are going to go in, we've got lots of telegraph poles, we've got some more signals. These look quite effective. I've already put a couple of these in on the layout and they look really cool. They don't light up or anything, they're just static, but they look pretty cool. We've got some more fences to go in, and also we're going to have a go at some going to do like a water pond type scene, maybe a small forest, flower beds. Yeah, there is no plan, nothing's written down, but I'm just going to wing it and we'll see what it turns out like. I'll get everything ready and I'll make a start. Okay, so there we go. So all the grass is in. The hard standing car park area, that's done, that's in. The fence is in all the way along here. Still got to finish doing the adding some greenery. I've kind of stopped here, I've got all the rest of it to do. I've added some, for now, I added some play sand in the bottom of the watering hole, swimming hole, whatever you want to call it. And I need to find the fake water, easy water stuff. Now, I thought I had enough, but I've only got half of a small packet, so I'm going to need to go and get some ordered. So I don't know how long that's going to be before it's delivered, so we're going to have to leave that now for now. So basically that's about as much as I can do on this scene. I've got some trees to go in, but that's for another episode when I start to add all the final details, because I want to get the water in first. But yeah, I've got to find some from somewhere. If anyone's got any recommendations as to what they've used, or any tips or tricks or anything, please let me know in the comments. That'd be awesome, thank you. But we'll leave it there for today. So if you like the video, please consider hitting that little thumbs up icon. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It doesn't cost you guys anything, but it does help my channel to grow, which it has done immensely over the last few months, which is down to you folks for watching me. So thank you very much. Stay safe out there, and yeah, keep doing what you're doing. Hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Look after yourselves. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.